Hey guys, it's Alex here with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the Paragon Extended mud flaps for your C8 Corvette. They are painted in carbon flash. Let's get to this install. First thing we need to do, we need to remove this 7mm bolt here from the bottom of the mud flap holding it to the car. Now we need to actually get the mud flap removed from the bumper. There's just a bunch of push-in clips along the edge here. Grab it from the bottom and you should be able to push and get the first one here started. And then from there, you can use a panel pry tool, just being careful not to damage the paint. And work your way up through the rest of them. Okay, take it out. Now we've got our new extended mud flap here. Sometimes this clip here can be a little difficult to get to snap into the bumper. You can use a long extension and be able to go up from behind here by the exhaust tips and support the backside of this hole that it goes into. Or the other option you can do is you can remove these clips and pre-install them in the holes and then just press the tab down inside the clip. Keeping in mind you do have a finger in here that needs to locate in a slot here in the fender liner. And then just making sure your tool is located behind this second tab down. Press that one in, and then you're just a little pressure and support it from the back. We've got that firmly in place there. Now we're going to get our 7mm screw reinstalled here on the bottom. There you guys have it. Pretty simple install. Repeat the same process for the other side. The fronts install in a very similar manner. Now you can protect the side of your car for some rocks and stuff flying up off your tires. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.